Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Chaudhary and welcome to e-commerce 101. If you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel for the latest and the greatest updates on e-commerce. So let's begin. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about one of the best print-on-demand tools there is. In fact, this one is the undisputed king of the must-use print-on-demand tools. Placeit. What makes Placeit the undisputed king? Well, the large collection of mockups they have to offer is the main reason I consider it as one of the best tools. In addition to that, you can create unlimited designs, videos and logos not only for your print-on-demand and dropshipping store, but for any other purpose you like using the unbelievably large library of templates. So, let's have a look. Alright, so this is the Placeit site, placeit.net. So let's first talk about the pricing plan. They have a single pricing plan of $23.69 per year. Their monthly plan is around $4 per month. It's not available in my country, it might be in yours. You have to check that out. This is, I would say, very cheap. If you go for the annual plan, you pay just around $2 per month, which is very cheap. This is their single pricing plan, and this subscription includes access to all of their mockups, designs, logos, and video templates. Also, if you don't want to straight away go for their pricing plan, they have lots of mockups, designs, and logos for free as well. You can check those out, try those, and if you like them, then go for the pricing plan. Also, in this video, I'm going to walk you through every feature of Placeit, the mockups, designs, logos, videos, all the features. I'm going to walk you through it. So watch this video and then you can decide for yourself if their pricing plan is for you or not. Alright, so talking about the mockups they have to offer, which is the best part of Placeit, and I'm going to tell you this. Placeit has the best collection of mockups on the internet. There is no better site than Placeit where you can find mockups. Period. Placeit is the best. So they don't only offer mockups for print-on-demand products, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, bags, or sweatshirts and stuff, but also in addition to all the apparels, hats, face masks, apart from all these, you can also find mockups for books, business cards, flyers, magazines, packaging, posters, Facebook ads, billboards, banners, everything. They have a very large collection of mockups and the best collection as well. You can choose the template type. They have image mockups, they have video mockups. You can also change the background to transparent background if you want to use just the mockup somewhere else. It's a very useful feature. You can sort them by if you don't have the subscription plan, you can also sort them for free. They also have some free mockups, like this one right here is free to use. So this is amazing. Let's say I like this mockup, I want to use it. It's also very easy to use, very easy to use. There you go. You click on upload design. Alright, like I've already uploaded a design here. So it comes like this. You open the design. Opens, you can crop it as per your requirements, the size and everything, and your design appears here. You can change the color of the mug. So I want to change it to black. There you go. Looks absolutely amazing, so easy to use, and I can just go on and download it. It's processing right now. I can just go on and download it then. It's that easy to use. They have unbelievably large collection of mockups, and I'm again going to say this. They have the best collection of mockups on the internet. So that's about the mockups. Talking about the designs they offer. Once again, like, this is amazing. More than 32,000 templates you can choose from. They don't only provide designs for print-on-demand products, t-shirts, hoodies, and etc., but you can also find designs for your book covers, business cards, posters, flyers, and for your Discord themes or Twitch templates, YouTube templates, for album covers, your social media content, so many. They have a lot of designs to offer. Now if you're wondering, like, if everyone like if they are offering these designs, if I'm using it, someone else can use this same very same design as well. So how is this beneficial to me at all? Well, that's right, you're right. Let's say you want to use this design. I'll just show you. Open this over here. You can make this unique as per your convenience. This is just template. You can change the main graphic here. Let's say that I typed in dog. Let's say I don't want to use this. Instead of this, I want to use this as the graphic, or this, or let's say maybe I want to use this one. Yeah, no, this one looks good. Yeah, this one. So I can also change the color of the accent over here. Let's say I want to use maroon. So I put in maroon. I can change the background to transparent background, which is very useful if you want to use it as a t-shirt design. You need to have a transparent background. So that's that. Dog lover, you can change the color of all the elements that are present over here and make them as per your convenience as you like. Simply download them and it's ready to use. They have a large, unbelievably large collection of designs as well. And also, what's great is, like, if you are talking about print on demand, if you want t-shirt designs, they also have it sorted out as per niches. They have a very large category of niches you can choose from, like right over here, the tags: 8-bit, acid, activewear, aliens, anime. They have sorted it as per alphabet, and they have a large number of niches you can choose from, and it's absolutely amazing. Like, let's say I want a pet design, so I'll click on pets, and all the designs they have to offer for pets, they'll come up, all the t-shirt designs, and you can, just like I showed you, edit them as per your own choice, so as to make them unique. And also, if you're wondering if it's actually free to, if you can actually sell these designs, well, they mention it right here, that in the license part, that you can in fact put your final designs on any kind of product and then sell those products, so you don't have to worry about it. They say you can't take it and make it take placeit content and make your own version of placeit. Obviously, you don't want to do that. You're concerned with this point right here, which says you can use your designs on any kind of products and sell those products. So that's the design feature of placeit. It's absolutely amazing. Moving on, the logos feature of placeit. It's very easy to create a logo if you're using placeit. Just simply go on to logos and click on make a logo. Let's say I want to make a logo for my print on demand store. It's very easy. You can choose clothing brand over here, either and the templates, which are especially for clothing brands, will appear up here. You can choose anyone you like, and you can simply change the name and everything. Or let's say if my print on demand niche is fitness, so I can create a logo for fitness which reflects fitness very easily. Let's say I like this one right here. This looks good. Just simply go to edit template, let it open. All right. So let's say I want to name my store Fit Cart. Fit Cart, the best apparels. The best apparels. Alright. You can add text or remove text as you like. Say you can change the graphic over here if you want. Say I think this looks better, so I can use this one. Same thing here. You can either go for a background, or you can also download it using a transparent background, which is once again a very useful feature. Simply download it. You can change the color and everything of every element present over here. You can add extra graphics as well. So it's very easy to create a logo using placeit. Very easy, right? not only for your print on demand stores, but you can also create logos for almost anything. Let's say I have a YouTube channel, so I can create a design for YouTube channel as well, very easily. I can create gaming logos over here. I can create sports logos. I can create anything I want. It's very easy to use. Like just I show you, just a few clicks and you can create your logo very easily. Also, the videos feature, you can create a lot of videos using them, not only for your print on demand products, but also for your Instagram stories, content for your Instagram. You can create intros and outros using them, promotional videos. You can create YouTube videos using them. The newest addition over here is the Express Video Maker, which is absolutely amazing. Show you, right? So this Express Video Maker, just like the logo, you can create a absolutely stunning video in just a few clicks. It's very easy to use. Let's say I like this one right here. All right, I wanna see, this is like an Instagram post video. If I want to promote my store on Instagram, on my Instagram account, I want to promote my store. This is very easy. They have a large file of large library of audio tracks as well. You can change the color or change the color of absolutely any element over here. Every element you see over here, you can edit them, because this is just a template. Let's say I like this one right here. I want this color to be there. You can change anything. Let's say on the name of my store is petpeas.com. Petpeas, all right. %20 off in our store. www. Like, you can change anything over here. You can change this one as well. Like if you want to use a mockup or like your store logo, you can use that as well. You can simply upload an image or video from here to use. Let's say I want to use my own logo, so I can just open this. I can crop it. And there you go. You can change the name if you want. This is absolutely amazing, very easy to use. You can change the image frame, you can change it to white, you can change it to the same color it has. It is absolutely easy to use, with just a few clicks. You can edit the whole template and download it. It's an amazing feature. So we talked about the different features Placeit has to offer and what makes Placeit one of the best print-on-demand tools online there is. Their mockups are the best part. Their mockups is what sets them apart from all the other tools there are. You can also use Canva, and there are other tools that you can use to create designs. You can create better designs using them. The main thing we use Placeit for is the mockups. They have an amazing collection of mockups. Just sets them apart from everything else. So also we talked about the designs they have to offer and the different logos and videos you can create using them. So it's absolutely amazing. If you're someone who's just starting out on print on demand, who's just opened a print on demand store, Placeit can be a very good tool to get you going. Although we don't really use designs from Placeit, but that doesn't mean that Placeit designs are not good. Placeit designs are good. Well, if you have designing skills, you can edit those designs into something great. Don't use the template just as it is. That's not at all. I won't recommend you to do that, because there are millions of people visiting Placeit and everyone sees the same template, and if you download the template just as it is, your design won't be unique and there's a very less probability that your design actually works. So however, if you're just starting out or you're creating a store, if you already have a good Instagram base and then you decide to open a store, then Placeit can be very useful to you. You can easily create designs for free of cost. Obviously you have to subscribe to the plan, but you don't have to pay to get designs made. You can do everything yourself. You can create a logo yourself. You can create social media content for your store and designs yourself using placeit, using the mockups. You can create designs yourself. Basically, placeit has everything you need to start a print-on-demand store online. So that is why I say placeit is the best tool. There is one other feature of placeit which is not like a default feature, but you can also use placeit for that, and we use it very often, and it's a very useful thing. I'll just show you right here. Okay, so talking about that feature, if you go to my downloads right over here, you can use the placeit's image cropper to improve the quality and change the dimensions of your designs. It is very useful. Like for example, if I have a design, just click on crop and resize over here. Like say if I have a design which is not the correct dimensions, like the recommended dimensions for a t-shirt design is 4500 into 5400 pixels. Alright. So let's say I have a design which is not that dimension, and the quality of the design is not very good. Let's say this is the one. So I can very easily change the dimensions of this. And what will happen when I change the dimensions? I can zoom in, zoom out as well. Now what's going to happen is it's also going to improve the quality of the image. So when you put your design on a t-shirt on Teespring or Printify or Printful or any of the fulfilling site, the quality of the image that shows, that reflects over there, is always going to be great if you use placeit's image cropper to resize your designs, which is an absolutely amazing feature of placeit. Right, so that's pretty much everything you need to know about placeit. It's an amazing print-on-demand tool. Subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for part 2 of the best print-on-demand tools there is. Alright, and so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press the like button. It takes a lot of hard work to create these videos just for you. Also, let me know in the comment section below how valuable this video was for you. Okay, there's a link for placeit. If you haven't used it before, there's a link for placeit in the description. You can access the site using that. And if you want, you can also have a quick chat with any one of us. You can discuss any issues or problems you have. You can schedule a free consultation call. And if you want, we'll also share with you how we started our own 5-figure print-on-demand and dropshipping store. The link is in the description. So with that being said, have an amazing day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.